Hi, I'm Nanda Roep. I am a writer, and over the years, I have published more than 100 books and reached over 2 million readers. And now you're going to write too. You are about to start the workshop, Write Your Children's Book in 60 Minutes, where you'll create your own children's book in just 1 hour. Because writing should be fun. You can also do this together with kids. As a writer, I'm actually a bit of an introvert. I love coming up with stories, making books, and sharing ideas. But being in front of the camera all the time, that's a little less my thing. So I've brought someone I love. This is my avatar, Writing Joy.
Hi,
Say hello, Joy.
are you ready?
She'll be joining us along the way, and together we are going to help you turn your idea into a story. So, are you ready?
Let's make a
make a
children's
children's
book.
book.